Hello, how are you all? I hope you had a good rest over the weekend. And are you ready to start this new week with us? Okay, so before we start with the new week, what do we do every day when we start? Yes, we say our prayers. So come on, join your hands, close your eyes. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Nama, Tasmai Shri Guruve Nama. Now children, after our prayer, we sing our weather song. Come on. How is the weather today? Weather today, weather today. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy or bright? Are you feeling hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Are you feeling hot or cold? Won't you tell me today? So children, tell me, how are you feeling? Hot, cold, or just pleasant? I think the weather is much pleasant right now. If you're staying in the house, you will not feel hot at all, right? Okay. Now, children, last week we did farewell to the topic fragrant flowers. We said goodbye to fragrant flowers, but we will not forget all the things we have learned, right? We remember all our topics, and every topic teaches us something nice and new. So, are you ready to welcome this week's new topic? Yes? So, now this week, the topic which is going to come to our class, I'm not going to tell you. How about we listen to the story and we learn what is our theme topic? Let's go and listen to this story. So, children, today here we are with a story. And do you want to know what is the story? Look at what's coming. Ah, ooh, ooh, look at that. What are all these? Can you guess? Ah, I'm sure you can recognize them. Yes, we are going to listen to a story about fruits. It's called the Fruit Story. So, are you ready to listen to this lovely story? Let's go and see what is there in the story. Once upon a time, there was a man, and he had got some fruits with him in his garden. So he decided to go to the market. As the market was far away, it was a very tiring journey, and it was night. So he decided to rest for the night and reach the market in the morning. He kept his fruit basket down and went off to sleep. While he was sleeping, the fruits woke up and they all were looking very, very happy. Can you see how happy they are looking? And why do you think they are happy? Let's go and see. Now, all the fruits were very happy and they all started talking to each other. Each one wanted to tell something about themselves. So, let's hear what they have to say. First fruit, which is this fruit, children? I'm sure you recognize it. Yes, it's an apple. And let's hear what the apple has to say. Hello, I am red in color, but from inside I'm white, and I'm sure somebody is going to buy me in the morning and make some yummy, yummy things from me. I guess an apple pie. So the apple was very happy as he thought he would be bought by someone. Then popped in another fruit. He said, "Oh, is it so? But I think I am going to be bought first, as from me you can make some nice juice, one full glass of juice. You know who I am? I am an orange, juicy and sweet. Look at me. My color and my name is same." So the orange was also very happy and he proudly said to everyone that I am very juicy and sweet and tangy and you can make some juice from me. There came another fruit laughing. Ha 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 no, I think I'm going to go first. As I am found in all seasons, everyone loves to eat me. And you can make yummy milkshake from me. I am very, very healthy too. I am a banana. And I think first thing in the morning somebody is going to buy me. So the banana was really very happy and proud, and he thought that somebody is going to buy and make some yummy milkshake. Let's see who's next. Hello, I am a watermelon. I am the most juiciest fruit. I am very, very big and nice and round. From an orange, you can make 1 glass of juice. But from me, you can make at least 4 to 5 glasses of juice. And I'm sure somebody is going to take me home and make some yummy, yummy juice from me. So now the watermelon, because we all know a watermelon is a very big fruit and it's very juicy. Yes, you can make some yummy juice from it, and not just 1 glass but many glasses. So the watermelon told everyone about its speciality. Let's see who's next. But here I am. I may be looking very different in shape, but do you know I am the best? I can be eaten like that and can be made into something yummy and sweet dessert too. And I think somebody is going to buy me first thing in the morning. I am a pear. And I can be made into pear jam or marmalade too. So I think I will get a buyer soon. Now the pear was very happy too, as he thought that his shape was very different and he could be used to make some yummy things. So he would be bought first thing in the morning. Let's see who's next. Ha 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 ha! I am the best. Look at me. I have a crown on my head. Do you know my name? I am a pineapple. Yes, juicy, sweet and tangy. And I can be made into yummy pineapple cake. How about somebody buys me first thing? As a cake would be the best for the family. So the pineapple was also very happy, as you can make yummy pineapple cake from it. So he was wanting to go to the market early in the morning and somebody to buy him too. Let's see who's next. Hello, I may be very small, but I am the best. Everyone loves me, especially kids, because I am their favorite flavor in ice cream too. Yes, you have guessed me right. I am a strawberry, nice and sweet. I can be made into ice cream and also strawberry cream. Now, Strawberry was also very happy, as you can see how she's smiling. A strawberry is a very small fruit, but I'm sure you too love strawberry ice cream, don't you, children? Let's see which is the next fruit. Hi! Yeah! Can you guess my name? I'm sure you have guessed it. I am a fruit in a bunch. Yes, I am grapes. I am very, very sweet and nice to eat when fresh. And if I dry up, I become a dry fruit. Yes, I can be turned into raisins. So I'm sure somebody is going to take me home and everyone in the family is going to enjoy me too. Now all the fruits were happy talking and they were wanting to reach the market first thing in the morning. Let's see what happens next. Now what happened early in the morning? The man with his basket of fruits sat in the market and he started shouting, "Fresh fruits for sale! Fresh fruits for sale! Come on, come one, come all, buy them. They are really fresh from my garden. Fresh fruits for sale! Fresh fruits for sale!" And he started calling out for the people to come and buy his fruits. Just then, over there, a family came. In this family, there was mummy, papa, there were babies, and grandpa and grandma. They had come to the market as it was a holiday and they all wanted to eat fruit salad. So they decided to go to the market and each one to pick their favorite fruit to go into the fruit salad. Children, would you like to know what is each one's favorite fruit? Let's go and see. Now, this is Grandpa. Hello, how are you all? Would you like to know my favorite fruit? Ah, this is my favorite fruit. Yes, a banana, and it goes very well in a fruit salad. Let's put it in the basket. So, Grandpa likes banana, and he decided to take banana because he wanted it in his fruit salad. Now, let's go and meet Grandma. Hello, Grandma. Hello. Would you like to know what's my favorite fruit? I like an orange. And my favorite color is orange too. Look at my pants. So Grandma picked out some oranges and put in the basket. Now Papa said, "Oh, here I am. But I'm not going to take one. I will take 2 fruits to go in the fruit salad." Children, do you want to know which are the 2 fruits Papa wants to buy? Here they are. A pineapple and a watermelon. Yes, and they will taste very nice in my fruit salad. So pineapple and watermelon was put in the basket too. Now Mama, along with the little baby, said, "We too want 2 fruits, one for my baby, one for me. Do you want to know what it is?" An apple and a pear it is. And that too was very good for health. Apple a day keeps a doctor away. So an apple and pear were chosen and put in the basket to buy. Now let's go and see what this little girl wants. "Hello, how are you all? My fruit is just like me, small and nice. Yes, it's a strawberry. I'm sure you too all like strawberries and they taste very yum in a fruit salad." So they picked up some strawberries and put it in the basket. Now let's go to the boy and see what is his favorite fruit. "Hey, how are you all? I'm sure you will like my fruit too. It grows in a bunch. Yes, it is grapes. And they taste very yum in a fruit salad. Don't you agree with me?" Now all of them put their fruits in the fruit basket and told the man that we want all these fruits. The man sold the fruits to the family and they picked up the fruit basket and they happily came back home. When all of them got back home, Mama took out all the fruits. She washed them nicely. The fruits which were to be peeled were peeled and they were chopped into small pieces. And then what happened? Yes, it was mixed with cream and it was turned into a yummy fruit salad. Look at that. Isn't your mouth watering like mine? Yes? Yes, and everyone in the family enjoyed the fruit salad and they are looking very, very happy. So, children, what was the story all about? Fruits, yes. And fruits are very, very, very necessary for you to have it in your diet. You should have fruits every single day. And they are so good. They grow on trees, they grow on bushes, or they grow on climbers. But they are sweet, tangy, they might be big, some of them are small. But they all give you a lot of vitamins and they give you a lot of energy which is needed for you to grow stronger and for you to fight against many, many diseases. So always remember to have fruits every single day. I also have one fruit every day. So you too should have a fruit every single day. How about we learn the song so that we will remember that every single day we need to have a fruit. Let's go and listen to this lovely song.
1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la.
I'm sure my babies are going to eat fruit every single day. Now, after that nice song, children, are you ready to play a game with me? Ready? Now, this game is all about fruits, yes, and it's all about how well you remember and how smart you are. So keep your eyes wide open and let me see who can guess it right. Come on, let's go and play this game. Now, children, it's time for us to play a game. Are you ready to play this game with me? Okay. Now, what can you see on the screen? Can you see there are two fruits? Yes. Now, you have to remember which two fruits you have seen. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops, it is covered. Now, I hope you remember which two fruits you saw. Now here it is. Which was the fruit which is missing here? We have now only one fruit. Yes, right, strawberry. So this is like a memory game. You can do it with real fruits too, but here we are playing just like that for fun. So here we are. We saw that there were first two fruits. First there was apple and strawberry, then I covered it up and then I removed one fruit. And you all guessed it right, the missing fruit was strawberry. Let's do it one more time. Now carefully look at both the fruits. Right, are you ready? Should I cover it? Here you go. 1, 2, 3, ready? Okay, now tell me which is the fruit which is missing. Right, grapes, very smart. So I think you have got this game right? Let's go further. Let's play it one more time. Look at both the fruits carefully. Remember it well. Here we go. And now, which is the fruit which is missing? Yes, orange. Okay, one last time. Look at both the fruits carefully. Here we go. And now, which is that fruit which is missing? Can you guess it? Kiwi, right. So children, this is how we play the fruit memory game. I hope you enjoyed playing it. Okay, so did you enjoy that? You can even do it in your house. Like you can get whatever fruits are there and just put any two fruits, show it to them, cover it and then quietly remove one fruit and then ask the person after opening to guess which fruit is missing, right? So these kind of things you can do. You can play different games and learn about fruits, and always remember fruits are very, very, very much necessary to have every single day. Right now in the present condition, you should not fuss over fruits. You should have fruits, you should have vegetables, and all that is required to keep you strong and healthy and to fight against diseases. Okay, so now it's time for me to go, as you have your music class and Miss Suraya is right here. So you go and enjoy your music class with Miss Suraya, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.